ahead for September 2022, Astrological Highlights and Festivals. A very warm welcome to everyone. I'm Swamini Valli, a Pillai Center teacher and an Astrovet astrologer. Today we look at a few of the astrological highlights and festivals during September 2022. The dates mentioned are based on North America timings. Dates may be the same or different in other parts of the world, such as Asia. When September begins, the Sun is still in Leo, where he remains until mid-September. The Sun in Leo can bring royalty consciousness and courage. This is a good time to work with power in positive ways and to develop leadership skills. The Sun radiates life-affirming energies, so it is an excellent time to improve habits of health in diet, exercise program, sleep patterns, and so on. It is also a favorable time for resolving any issues with the government. While the Sun is in Leo and in a place of power, he can give blessings for creativity. A weak connection to the Sun can give poor self-esteem. The Sun in Leo is an excellent time to work on developing greater self-confidence. In mythotherapy stories, the Sun is often depicted riding across the sky in a chariot. The chariot is drawn by 7 horses that are directed by a charioteer. These 7 horses are said to represent the 7 scientific colors of the solar spectrum of light. The 7 horses symbolize the 7 colors contained in the acronym VIBGYOR: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Thursday, September 1st, is a 6th waxing moon. Muruga, a warrior healer archetype, rules the 6th waxing moon. This is an especially effective day to pray to Muruga for protection from enemies, rivals, and evil eye, as well as for help to maintain good health. Dr. Pillai has said, if you have the blessings of Muruga, you will get into miracles instantaneously. Quantum sounds to invoke Muruga are Om Murugaya Namaha. Monday, September 5th, is the Labor Day celebration in the United States, as it is the first Monday in September. This holiday honors the American labor movement and the contributions that workers have made to the strength, prosperity, laws, and well-being of the country. Tuesday, September 6th, is an 11th waxing moon phase. All 11th moons are in Ekadasi. They are an auspicious time to connect with Vishnu for wealth. During this time, Vishnu is giving access to tremendous positive energy that can transform our financial mindset. A mantra to invoke the wealth creation aspects of Vishnu is Om Narayanaya Vidmahe Vasudevaya Dhimahi Tano Vishnu Prachodayat. Wednesday, September 7th, is a 13th waxing moon at sunset and a pradosham. All pradoshams are a time when we can dissolve negative karmas in areas such as health, finances, and relationships through the compassion of the divine. This can be an extra strong day to cut limes or lemons, do karma removal chants such as Tirani Lakantam, and pour milk over a lingam sometime during the hour-and-a-half period before sunset in our local area. Thursday, September 8th, is a Nataraj Abhishekam. Many people like to pour water, whole milk, and juice over a dancing Shiva, Nataraj statue, or Shiva Lingam. Simple sounds are Om Namah Shivaya, or any variation of those sounds you have been given by a teacher. Some people like to dance with joy. Friday, September 9th, is full moon on a Friday, a day ruled by Venus. The moon will be in Shadabisha, a star of healing energies and material prosperity. Every full moon is always a good day for some Shreem Brzee chanting and energizing our goals for material plane manifestation. This is an opportunity to consciously tune into the full moon's subtle power over the brain for blessings of abundance. Also on Friday, September 9th, Mercury goes retrograde in Virgo, a sign he rules and also a sign where he is exalted. While a planet is retrograde, he is extra powerful. So this is an excellent period to work on areas where Mercury has agenda. This includes refining our communication skills in speaking, writing, and even nonverbal communication. Mercury also helps with analysis and pattern recognition, as well as business success and everything related to computers, including online marketing. Saturday, September 10th, is the first day of Mahalaya, a 14-day festival honoring departed ancestors. During the Mahalaya fortnight, our ancestors are very close to the earth plane. We can do Tarpanam anytime after sunrise and before sunset in our local area on any or all days of this festival. This helps our ancestors to move on into the light, and then they send us blessings. This year, the last day of Mahalaya will be on the new moon on September 25th. Tuesday, September 13th, is the fourth waning moon phase, and a great day to invoke Ganesha to remove obstacles with some coconut breaking and a simple chant such as Om Gam Ganeshaya Namaha. Wednesday, September 14th, is Mahabharani, the day during Mahalaya festival when the moon is in Bharani star is called Mahabharani. An overlord of Bharani star is Yama, an archetype in the Vedas who is represented as a cheerful king of the departed ancestors. In later mythology, Yama also became known as a lord of justice. This influence of Yama means doing Tarpanam during daylight hours while the moon is in Bharani star during the Mahalaya festival is considered extra effective. This is why this day is Mahabharani, or Great Bharani. Thursday, September 15th, is a sixth waning moon phase with the moon in Kritika star, a star in the Pleiadian system. Maruga is associated with the Pleiades. Dr. Pillai has said the Pleiades will have a positive influence on the upcoming age on our planet. He says, Maruga is the lord of the Pleiades, and the Pleiadians are very concerned about the evolution of the earth plane. This is a very good day to invoke Maruga for protection and blessings with a simple chant such as Om Marugaya Namaha. Friday, September 16th, the sun enters Virgo, where he remains until mid-October. Virgo is a pragmatic sign with feminine, earthy energy. Virgo is the most detail-oriented of all the zodiac signs. This sun transit into Virgo illuminates the principle of practicality and a down-to-earth application of intelligence. The sun can enhance our skills in both organizing and performing our work. This period can bring about improvements in communication and analytical thinking. This is a favorable time to be practical and conservative. Some people may experience worries related to perfectionism. Some may need to guard against criticism, irritability, and cynicism. It is a good period to keep focus in the heart and maintain intention to be loving and gentle with others. This is also an effective time to deal with any issues related to accounting, mathematics, or numbers in general. Wednesday, September 21st, will be an Ekadasi, an 11th waning moon phase. All 11th moons are an auspicious time to connect with Vishnu for wealth. Ekadasi is a very good time to remain open and alert and to ask for financial blessings and abundance. We can use the wealth creation mantra given earlier. Thursday, September 22nd, will be a 13th waning moon and a Guru Pradosham. All Pradoshams are a time when we can dissolve negative karmas through the compassion of the divine. When a Pradosham falls on a Thursday, a day ruled by Jupiter, who is called Guru in Sanskrit, it is known as Guru Pradosham. A guru or teacher is one who removes the darkness of ignorance. Guru Pradosham is a fantastic opportunity to reset our lives. Spiritual practices on this day can clear previous negative karma that has been blocking the blessings or grace of our guru reaching us. This Pradosham window is a chance to open ourselves to fresh teachings or lessons from teachers, educators, mentors, or wise persons who can counsel us. This can be an extra strong day to cut limes or lemons, do karma removal chants such as Tirunila Cantam, and pour milk over a lingam sometime during the hour-and-a-half period before sunset in our local area. Thursday, September 22nd, is also an equinox. This is a day when daytime and night are of approximately equal duration and the seasons change. In the northern hemisphere, this is called autumnal equinox, and in the southern hemisphere, it is called spring equinox. We can experience powerful energy during this time. This is an auspicious day to review whatever we have accomplished since the solstice in June, 3 months ago, and to set goals for the next 3 months to achieve before the next solstice in December. It is a good day to do some extra meditation and to be mindful of omens, dreams, and experiences. Friday, September 23rd, is a 14th waning moon and a Shivaratri. It is a good day to break coconuts for Ganesha, to remove obstacles, and also to hydrate a Shivalingam with water and milk with the sounds Om Namah Shivaya, and ask blessings from Shiva's infinite intelligence and compassion. Saturday, September 24th, Venus enters Virgo, a sign where he is the least comfortable. Venus is the planet that helps us make decisions about what things are worth to us in terms of our time, money, and energy. This is a good time to give extra attention to how we evaluate our choices, of how we spend our time, our money, and our energy, and bring more light into our selections. For some people, this may mean becoming more generous in attitude. Some people may need to bring more self-care in their choices. Sunday, September 25th, is a special new moon called Mahalaya Amavasya, or Ancestors' Day. Mahalaya Amavasya is one of the 3 most powerful new moons each year for helping our ancestors. This is the conclusion of the 14 days of Mahalaya festival, honoring the ancestors. Fasting and tarpanam done during this new moon, during daylight hours, in our local area is extremely beneficial. It is one of the most effective ways of honoring our ancestors. We thank our ancestors for their contribution in our life and pray for peace to their souls. Sunday, September 25th in the evening, will be the first night of Navaratri festival, celebrating 9 nights of the goddess. During these 9 nights, we celebrate divine feminine energies. Each night of this festival, the presence of the goddess is intensely activated throughout the earth plane. Feminine divine power, or Shakti, comes streaming into our world in various forms to destroy negative energies of all kinds. Throughout the world, people participate in prayers and ceremonies to invoke the power of the divine feminine, to overcome negative energies that create unfavorable situations in human life. Dr. Pillai has said about Navaratri, the goddess is the miracle-performing intelligence in the brain. She is the power of your consciousness, and she has the ultimate compassion for human beings, especially during this time. As Durga, the brilliance of the goddess comes the first 3 nights in a fierce form to protect us and to destroy demons and all negative energies that are blocking joy. Durga dispels depression and illusion. She restores our ability to experience joy and to connect with our own authentic desires. Simple quantum sounds for protection and healing from Durga given by Dr. Pillai. Om, Dum, Durgaye Namaha. As Lakshmi, the effulgent light of the goddess, comes the second 3 nights to destroy poverty consciousness and to give blessings for beauty, wealth, purity, and grace. She renews our ability to experience prosperity and material comforts in all areas of our lives. Through Nadi technology, the ancient sage Vishvamitra has given highly empowered quantum sounds for Lakshmi to Dr. Pillai for use in modern times. Everyone is encouraged to use these special sounds so that wealth may arise for all. Shreem Brzee. As Saraswati, the radiance of the goddess, comes the final 3 nights to destroy ignorance and foolish thinking and to give blessings for wisdom and divine knowledge. She activates our receptivity for higher intelligence to awaken in our brain and be applied throughout all the arts and sciences. Simple quantum sounds for Saraswati given by Dr. Pillai. Om, Aim, Saraswatiye Namaha. Some people like to read chapters each night during Navaratri in the Devi Bhagavatam, an ancient text with many goddess stories. We turn for sanctuary to the source, the mother of all things, the Devi. Mahashakti, the goddess, is the highest power of all, and she animates the rest of us. Devi Bhagavatam, Ramesh Menon translation. Wednesday, September 28th, is a 4th waxing moon phase and a great day to invoke Ganesha, to remove obstacles with some coconut breaking and a simple chant such as Om, Gum, Ganeshaya Namaha. We can ask Ganesha to bless us with renewed courage and confidence. Friday, September 30th, is a 6th waxing moon. Muruga, a warrior healer archetype, rules the 6th waxing moon. This is an especially effective day to pray to Muruga for protection from enemies, rivals, and evil eye, as well as for help to maintain good health. Dr. Pillai has said, if you have the blessings of Muruga, you will get into miracles instantaneously. Quantum sounds to invoke Muruga are Om, Murugaya Namaha. Please let us know in the comments if this kind of monthly overview video is helpful. Please press the like button and subscribe to the Pillai Center Practice channel. The entire Pillai Center team is wishing you well.